Congratulations on purchasing your new Arlo Essential Indoor Security Camera, the home security camera that lets you protect your home from the inside. With the built-in privacy shield to give you an extra layer of privacy, Arlo has your security and privacy covered. Before you start, here are some tips for installation. Make sure the power outlet you plan to plug into is inside the range of your Wi-Fi router. If you'll be wall mounting your camera, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver with a 6mm drill bit. Now let's get started. Step 1. Setup. First, you'll need to download the Arlo app to your phone or tablet, create an Arlo account if you're a new user, or log into your existing Arlo account if you already have one. Select Add New Device, Cameras, Essential Indoor Security Camera, and follow the prompts. Make sure your phone and Arlo camera are connected to the same 2.4 GHz network, and enter your Wi-Fi credentials to continue the setup process. Use the included micro USB cable and power adapter to connect to a power outlet. Then, plug the micro USB end into the back of your camera. After the privacy shield opens on the camera, tap Continue. Then press the sync button. When the LED light on the front of the camera is flashing blue, tap Continue. Hold the QR code from your app about 15 centimeters in front of the camera and listen for the success tone. Name your camera and follow the prompts. Your firmware will be updated and it might take a few minutes. Next, position your camera to ensure a strong video connection and an optimized viewing angle. If you have another camera to add, you will repeat the steps. Step 2. Placement. You can place your Essential Indoor Security Camera on any flat surface. To mount to a wall, use the included wall mount and screw kit. Position the wall mount with the arrow pointing upwards. Use the included screws to secure the mount to the wall. Next, slide the base of your camera downward until you hear a click. You can use this cable holder to position the wire neatly. Step 3. Arlo Smart Security Setup. After the camera is set up, select Continue. The app will prompt you to set up Arlo Smart Security. The Arlo Essential Indoor Security Camera includes a 3-month trial of Arlo Smart Security, a powerful verification and monitoring system that uses artificial intelligence to put you in control of your home security. Adding Arlo Smart Security to your Arlo devices enables more personalized notifications for events that matter. It even allows you to take quick action like phone a friend or sound an alarm from your notification panel. Receive personalized alerts that tell you if a person, animal, or other object has come into view, and notify you when a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm is detected. Easily create custom activity zones to pick up motion only in important areas like your living room or near the front door. Plus, Arlo Smart Security stores your recorded clips for up to 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with the authorities, neighbours, or family. With Arlo's Privacy Pledge, you can trust Arlo to protect your privacy with industry standards for data protection designed to keep your personal data private and in your control. Congratulations! We hope you enjoy your new Arlo Essential Indoor Security Camera, the home security camera that lets you protect your home from the inside. Arlo. Connect, prevent, protect.